Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Touring L, stock number 28247T. This one is like a maroon in color. Got some really nice styling here on the headlights. I'm really feeling that. Fog lights down here in the front bumper. I tell you what, they really just go all out with these Pacificas. This one is a hybrid. Here's your charge port. Just plug that right in. Some polished aluminum wheels. Chrome trim down here. Really sets that velvet off. So we got two-tone interior here. We got the black and the tan. Actually, it's three colors. There's like a bronze here too. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Premium black leather seating. Take a look. These are power seats. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control things like heated seats and all your climates, plus anything to do with like your radio, satellite radio, controls for your phone. The interior of these Pacificas is just immaculate. They did such a good job. Painted pieces. Plenty of storage. Got your auxiliary and USB ports down here, plus a little storage container here, even another USB down there. On your steering wheel here, we got things for the cruise control, phone control, and things to change stuff up in your gauge cluster up in here. There's so many options. Automatic rear hatch, automatic side doors. If you hit these buttons here, it's just a no-brainer. That's just convenience. Back in the back here. Now these ones do not have stow and go in the front. They are quick disconnect seats though. These still do come out. The battery for the hybrid is right here. So you can't really stow and go with the battery there, but they are quick release. The back is still stow and go as well. Rear climate control. It's real important in a van to some people. Got some areas here to hang your groceries. Push button to close here as well. The back catch is automatic too. Just give it a little touch. And like I said, these seats do stow and go down into this space, and those come out. You could get a piece of plywood in here easily with that space. Something kind of cool that they built in are these blinds. Don't got to go to Walmart to purchase them anymore. They come in your van from the factory. It's a nice little touch, really consumer friendly. Push button to close. I don't know what it is about these Chryslers, Pacificas, but I think they just do a fantastic job with them. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Touring L, stock number 28247T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.